Tired of the same old routine every time you hit the road? Ready to revamp your driving game like never before? Get ready to shift gears into a world of mind-blowing possibilities as we unveil the 19 ultimate car gadgets that'll leave you wondering why haven't you upgraded your ride sooner. This is Car Computer Exchange, and we're about to take you on a turbocharged journey into the future of driving. Ladies and gentlemen, gearheads and tech aficionados, welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. Today, we're putting the pedal to the metal and diving headfirst into the electrifying world of cutting-edge car gadgets. You know, those gizmos and contraptions that turn your four-wheeled companion into something straight out of a sci-fi movie, minus the alien invasions, of course. But hey, we get it. In a sea of options and innovations, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, like you're stranded at a crossroads without a map. That's where we come in. We've scoured the tech terrain, sifted through the gizmo galaxy, and handpicked the 19 car gadgets that are not just cool, but game changers. These aren't just gadgets. They're your ride's new best friends. And trust us, you're going to want to introduce them to your car's dashboard party ASAP. Bayou Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit. Driving gets smarter and cooler. Imagine a world where your car becomes a wonderland of convenience. Introducing the Bayou Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit, your car's new BFF. This kit isn't just a gadget, it's a full-on transformation. Think wireless car vacuum, phone charger, inflator pump, high-pressure car wash gun, and portable lighting all bundled up in one genius package. No more hassle, just ease and efficiency. HUDWAY Drive, Campset. Stay safe, stay smart, stay glued to the road. Driving smarter has never looked this cool. Meet the HUDWAY Drive 2, your futuristic co-pilot. It connects seamlessly to your phone via Bluetooth, giving you the lowdown on navigation and notifications while you keep your eyes firmly planted on the road. Plus, with its ultra-wide cameras, it's like having eyes in the back of your head, minus the creepy factor. Racebox Meter Box, your car's personal stat tracker. Rev up, performance enthusiasts! The Racebox Meter Box is here to make your car feel like a superhero. It crunches numbers, like 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration and quarter-mile times with precision. Imagine having a lap timer that can turn your mundane commute into a thrilling race. It's like a Fitbit for your car, only cooler. OBD11, your car's new best friend. Unlock your car's secrets with the OBD11. It's like giving your ride a doctor's appointment. It diagnoses and monitors its health. Just plug it in and you're good to go. Plus, it's got Bluetooth and an intuitive Android app, so you're always in the know. It's like your car's personal therapist, minus the couch. Drop Racks Roof Racks. Elevate your cargo game. Roof loading dilemmas? Meet your match. Drop Racks Roof Racks. Loading stuff on your car's roof just got as easy as pie. A simple winch system brings the cargo to you, and with customizable bars, it fits your needs like a glove. It's like having your own personal weightlifting coach for your car. Robot Car Vacuum, the Oscar-winning cleaner. Give a standing ovation to the Robot Car Vacuum because it cleans like a champ. Compact but fierce, it has a serious suction power, ready to take on any mess. It's the superhero of cleaning gadgets, sucking up sand and dirt like it's nobody's business. Car-Shy Velvet Car Tent, your car's new BFF. Think of the Car-Shy Velvet Car Tent as a personal bodyguard for your car. Shielding it from weather damage, this accessory is like a protective cocoon. And guess what? It keeps your car cooler in scorching heat too. It's like VIP treatment for your four-wheeled friend. Yakima Road Shower. Adventure now with the side of shower. Enter the Yakima Road Shower, your adventure partner with a twist. This portable water storage buddy attaches to your car and heats water with solar power. So after an exhilarating escapade, you can wash away the dirt in style. It's like a spa on wheels, minus the whale music. Huka Trailer Hitch Stand, relaxation on the move. Picture this, a hammock attached to your vehicle, ready for you to unwind. The Huka Trailer Hitch Stand makes it a reality. Whether you're fishing or napping, this stand turns your car into a cozy haven. It's like a mini vacation on your hitch. Alright fellow drivers, how's that car envy holding up so far? Are you ready to elevate your driving game with these must-have gadgets? Or are you still picking your jaw up from the floor? We've only scratched the surface of innovation here. So, buckle up and let's dive into the next wave of car tech wonders. Tracky GPS Tracker, Sherlock Holmes for your car. Car theft? Beat your match. The Tracky GPS Tracker. Stick it under your car and voila! Your vehicle is now Sherlock-level traceable. Plus, it works for your belongings too. It's like an invisible guard, ensuring you're always in the loop. Frugal Camper Kit. Tesla, meet your adventure and alter ego. Calling all Tesla owners with an adventurous side. The Frugal Camper Kit is your dream come true. Transform your Model Y into a rolling home with functional drawers, a camp kitchen, and even a sleeping space. It's like having a 5-star hotel in your car. Norshire Mini Tire Inflator. Small but mighty. Size doesn't matter, especially when it comes to the Norshire Mini Tire Inflator. This tiny powerhouse pumps air like a boss, inflating your tires in no time. It's like having a mini bodybuilder on your wheels. Joytatus Eating Tray. A desk for the road. For those days when your car is your office, the Joytatus Eating Tray has your back. It transforms your steering wheel into a desk, holding your laptop, office supplies, and maybe even your lunch. It's like your own mobile workspace without the coffee spills. IQ Air, a Tem car air purifier. Breathe easy. Say goodbye to the stale air with the IQ Air, a Tem car air purifier. This nifty gadget purifies the air around you, turning your car into a sanctuary of freshness. With its compact design, the IQ Air Atem car air purifier easily fits into any vehicle and effectively filters out harmful pollutants and allergens. Whether you're stuck in traffic or embarking on a long road trip, this device ensures that you can breathe clean and healthy air throughout your journey. Hotour Trash Can. Trash solved. No more searching for a trash can. The Hotour Trash Can is here to keep your car tidy. Attach it anywhere, toss it in your garbage, and voila, you've got a clean car. No more worrying about coffee spills with the Hotour Trash Can. Attach it anywhere in your car and easily dispose of any trash, keeping your car clean and clutter-free. It's the perfect solution for maintaining a pristine workspace on the go. Turbo Air Freshener. Odor be gone. Wave goodbye to funky odors with the Turbo Air Freshener. This little spinner clicks onto your air vent, releasing a pleasant aroma that sweeps away any unwelcome smells. It's like having a personal air freshener that eliminates odors on the go. With the Turbo Air Freshener, your car will always smell fresh and clean, giving you the luxury of a tidy and pleasant driving experience. Yomi 12-volt refrigerator. Cool on the go. Road trips just got cooler. Literally. The Yomi 12-volt refrigerator keeps your snacks and drinks chilled, making your car the ultimate refreshment hub. With its compact design and efficient cooling system, this portable refrigerator ensures that you can enjoy refreshing beverages and snacks anytime and anywhere. Say goodbye to warm drinks and melted chocolate bars during your adventures on the road. It's like having a mini fridge on wheels. Uno Co-Driver Number 1. Your silent navigator. The Uno Co-Driver Number 1 keeps your company on the road, warning you of hazards and speed cameras without annoying distractions. It's like having a chatty co-pilot, minus the backseat driving. With the Uno Co-Driver Number 1, you can enjoy a safer and more relaxed driving experience as it alerts you to potential dangers without interfering your focus on the road. It's the perfect companion for those long drives. Wodog Car Seat. Pet comfort on board. For pet lovers, the Wodog Car Seat is your new best friend. Your furry pal gets a cozy seat and you get a fur-free car. It's like a first-class flight for your pet without the turbulence. The Wodog Car Seat provides a secure and comfortable space for your pet to enjoy the ride, allowing them to relax and stay in one place. Say goodbye to distractions caused by your pet moving around the car, as the Wodog Car Seat keeps them safely contained. And there you have it, gearheads and tech enthusiasts alike. 19 game-changing car gadgets that'll make you wonder how you ever drove without them. But hey, don't let the excitement end here. If you're hungry for more jaw-dropping innovations and clever solutions, hit that subscribe button and join our community of car connoisseurs here at Car Computer Exchange. Stay ahead of the curve, stay entertained, and most importantly, stay on the road to discovery. Until next time, happy driving and keep those engines purring.